Now let's start with the hat. And we're going to go up, 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 and just got to wobble it around a little bit at the top like that. So it's just like it's fallen over a bit at the top. And that gives us our hat. And then we're going to draw an upwards curve like that there. And then we're going to draw 2 ears, one on each side with a little kind of a question mark or a little S inside there like that. And then just down a little bit there, we're going to draw in the face. And we can put in a nose and the eyes. So I'm drawing the eyes, they're kind of like a letter C. So it's not a full dot, it's got a little bite taken out of it, which makes it look shiny. And then we'll put a little smile in there. Maybe some eyebrows like that. And then we need a bit of a beard. That's going to be coming around and around and around. And maybe some squiggly lines for the beard. Like that. Now next we're going to need the shoulders coming around into the hand. So there's just like 2 curves, like brackets, aren't they really? And then we'll have the cuffs of the sleeve, and then these are like the little folds in the elbows. And we're going to want to have 2, 3, 4. So you've got like a thumb going up there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are his hands. And we're going to have the belt buckle like that. Maybe with a little bit in there. And then if you can squeeze in the belt as well, just like that. And then we're going to have his jacket coming down and around and back up there like that. And down at the front we'll have a button and maybe another button there. We want the line to go up at the middle there as well. Now, next we're going to draw a little curve, and then we're going to have his feet coming down, or his legs coming down like that, with a curve finishing each of those lines off. And then we're going to draw the shoes, which can be complicated, but they don't have to be. So let's go a curve down there and a curve down there. A very gentle curve there. That's the back of the heel. And then we'll curve back to join them up. And then we just want to have the sole of the shoe underneath there like that. And then we'll have the laces like that. We can maybe put some shading in to put him on the ground like that. You could have some grass in there as well if you wanted. Make it look like he's standing on the grass. Then all you need to do is colour in your gnome and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.